We are going to go through the process of setting up a requisition in the document level accounting format. A requisition set up in the document level accounting format is used when you need to use multiple index codes to pay a designated amount on one requisition. For example, should football, softball, and men's golf each need a car from Enterprise, they can make the request on one requisition but still be able to pay separate amounts. So we'll open up a banner, enter under production, and log in. Type in FPAREQN, press enter, next block, tap over to delivery date and enter the delivery date. And if this is a standing order, we'll write standing order in the comments bar. Now this is very important. This is what changes the format of the requisition. You have to uncheck the document level accounting. This means that you're going to have multiple index codes, each paying a different amount on this requisition. You must be sure that you have unchecked the document level accounting button. If you do not uncheck the document level accounting button, the program will allow you to enter in the information, but it will divide the total of the requisition evenly among the index codes and not charge the designated amounts. So after we uncheck the document level accounting button, we will finish filling out this block and click next block. We will fill in our vendor block. Going with our example, we will be ordering from Enterprise, and then we will click next block. We will order 3 separate vehicles for 3 separate prices. Remember, this is just an example. We are not actually ordering cars for football, softball, men's golf. Let's say that football needs a car each. One, it'll be $200. Softball needs a van. Each, they only need one, and it'll be $225. Next, men's golf needs a bus. Each, they only need one, and the unit price is $405. So to make sure each index code pays only the designated amount, we will begin to enter the separate information. We'll go click on our first description field, then hit next block. You must hit next block in order for the system to register what you're wanting to do, otherwise it won't work properly. So we hit next block to go down, fill in our index code for this description, and then the account number, and then 200 is what football is going to be paying. We will then press previous block. Again, you must hit previous block or this won't work properly. You can't use the arrows to navigate between the different blocks. So we hit previous block, click in the second description field, and then hit next block. You'll notice that all the information that we had before is gone. That means that football will not be paying for softball and that softball will not be paying for football. So we enter in softball's information, the account, and then how much softball is paying. Then hit previous block, click in the men's golf, next block, and again, everything's disappeared. And then we enter in what their total is. We will then hit next block, and that will take us to the balance and completion screen. And we will see that we have a balanced requisition, and we can continue as we would a normal requisition.